Hello friends, welcome to my channel World Love Life. Today we are going to talk about love between two persons. Love between two persons is one of the most powerful and transformative force in human existence. It shapes our identities, informs our decisions, and gives meaning to our life. While it is often romanticized and literatures and media, real love authentic, enduring, and deep extends far beyond interior attraction or emotional infatuations. Love between two individuals, when nurtured with care, empathy, and intentionality, becomes the foundation for personal growth, emotional healing, and mutual fulfillment. As the initial intensity fades, love involves the shift from infatuation to a more mature form of love can be challenging but rewarding. It is during the time that true intimacy being to form intimacy involves the willingness and the invulnerable to share one, fear past one, and dream without fear and rejections.